I could play anywhere from 15, well 11, but I try.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Jeff.
Okay.
Find me on YouTube at Quality Audio.
Quality Audio. Okay. I've heard of it. I've seen you.
Today I've got 4 12s, gold 12s from Resilient Sounds. And it's on a MD12K 0.5 wired at 1 ohm.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
It's a 4th order. I've got the port tuned at 40.
Oh, that's back far.
Oh yeah, it's 15-inch deep
okay.
in there, but it's tuned at 43.
All right.
I could play anywhere from 15 and well 11, but I try 15 and up.
Yeah. Can I see an amp? Is there an amp behind it? Okay.
Everything back there.
All right. How you doing? I'll get it in a second. Okay. And this was at 1 ohm?
Yes, 1 ohm, and it's the 0.5 edition.
Okay. Let's say your half ohm edition at 1 ohm. Yep. Got it. All right.
Those are the North Star 190s. I got 2 of them on Autotech 370 up front.
Okay. Awesome. Sorry, excuse me. Thanks for the demo. Yeah, I'll check out your alternator. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, voltage was good. All right. Oh, wow. That's low.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and start out with the 15.
Okay.
In the game, straight crippin'. Whip wood, green dippin'. Told all my homies don't go so hard, but my inside niggas won't listen. Walk around town with your bitch, little nigga. 1 hand on the ass, 1 finger on the trigger. Got your nigga slipping if you wanna start shit. No checks on your motherfucking carpet.
It's at, but it does sound good.
Oh, yeah, making patties drip and paddles rip. Yeah, this is DJ Rustic.
That's like a low-end monster for sure.
Yes, it is.
So you're probably what, 15 hertz to like 45 hertz solid.
I can play down to 11
Oh,
and
God.
up to 60.
Wow, that's great. Nice work, man. What was your name?
Jeffrey?
Jeffrey. Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man.
Not a problem.
That was awesome.
Just bought the Benz and I love it, I love it. Fuck it up, pockets on blue shit, pockets on blue shit, just bought the Birkin, she love it, hey, fuck it up, hey, stepped in the game, straight crippin', whip wood, grain dipping, told all my homies don't go so hard, but my inside niggas won't listen, walk around town with your bitch, little nigga, one hand on her ass, one finger on the trigger, catch a nigga slipping if you wanna start shit, blue checks on your motherfucking carpet, in the game, straight crippin', whip wood, grain dipping, told all my homies don't go so hard, but my inside niggas won't listen, walk around town with your bitch, little nigga, one hand on my ass, one finger on the trigger, catch a nigga slipping, blue checks on your motherfucking carpet, try and run, nigga, but you stepped in the game, straight crippin', whip wood, grain dipping, told all my homies don't go so stepped in the game, straight crippin', whip wood, grain dipping, told all my homies don't go so hard, but my inside niggas won't listen, walk around town with your
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.